Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about First Republic Bank stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. Stock is trading at $0.75 with 0.48% positive in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently at all-time highs, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stocks. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please consult your financial advisor.